Family treat. Treat daw ni ate to dahil birthday niya bukas. Mag-shopping daw siya. Where are we going?
Don't go, Daddy. They're for boys. Come with me.
Okay. What you want?
Di ba bibili ka din ng hoodie?
Mhm. Samahan natin si Agi. 6KD9. Samahan po natin si Agi. Nabibili na ang kanyang damit. I like this green one.
This one.
This one I like it.
This one green?
Yes. I think this one also is nice. The swab, the black one.
Zipper.
No, the black one.
You already have that. It's in you.
It's not black. It's like a dark, very dark.
Jeans.
Blue. No, I already brought 3 jeans. Oh! Hindi mo tinignan yung black? Black one.
Black na?
Hmm.
Kita.
Check.
No, not me. It's for you. Malaki?
No, it's like, I like it. Large.
Large. Ikaw?
Yeah, large.
Kana? This is yours?
How much?
5.
5.5. See, okay, put it there. We will come back. Check some more.
Where are you putting the camera? Kayla?
Samahan natin yung my birthday na magsha-shopping daw. Here, look. Take this one. Huh. Right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yung mo dinala yung... Hmm? Talagang tabingi yung zipper niya, no? Hi! Here, brown. Ate, look, this is nice.
Maroon.
Maroon, that's
Ay,
brown.
come on. No, malaki to.
Dati ito, ang ganda. I like that Agi. I like that Agi. That gray, that one, gray.
Plain gray?
Plain, not plain gray, Brooklyn. See? Yung long kasi yan, nak, parang dress.
Express.
Parang dress. Come to mama.
Found it.
Gusto ko yan, no? Kaya lang 6.
I found small.
Hmm.
For me.
It's like a dress yan.
680.
Mahal, 7.
I don't
Let's
find
check
something
the
cheap.
red one.
Huh?
Red one.
It's still the same. 6. Come on.
Come on, ate. Here, other side. Hi. Go. Ah. Chuchewing gum ka, huh?
Hi daw, ano, hi.
Hi. Yes. Come on. San? Yung nabili nitan kay Yilsing, ganda, no? Kita mo?
Ayun. Doon tayo. Madaming mo dito. Ay, don't.
Muntik ko nang mabunggo ang isang customer. Oh, sorry. Aya! Baby shark.
I feel it's a kid.
Aya, let's go. Aya. And the final destination is the instrument. O, diba? Yan po talaga ang hilig nila. Pag nagpunta sa